In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's calendar availability in Google Calendar. This can be a lifesaver when trying to schedule meetings or coordinate events with colleagues, friends, or family members. So let's dive in and explore how you can utilize Google Calendar to simplify your scheduling process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into your search engine or directly visiting calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this is necessary to access and view any calendars you've been given permission to see. Once you're on the main page of Google Calendar, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find a navigation menu which includes several useful features. Look for an option labeled Search for People. This feature enables you to locate and view the calendars of others who have granted you access. With the Search for People text box in sight, your next step is to click on it and begin typing the name or email address of the person whose calendar you'd like to view. Google's intuitive search functionality will quickly provide a list of potential matches as you type. Be sure to enter as much information as necessary to narrow down the options and accurately identify the individual you are searching for. After typing in the person's details, take a moment to scan the list of search suggestions. Select the correct person from the list, which will automatically display based on the information you've provided. Google helps by highlighting these suggestions to streamline your search process and ensure you're connecting with the right calendar. Once you've selected the appropriate person, you'll be able to see their calendar events and availability if they've shared their calendar with you. Please note, seeing their availability depends on a few factors, primarily whether or not they've granted you permission to view their calendar. If permission has been granted, you'll notice their events intermingled with yours, reflected within your calendar view. If, however, you cannot see the person's calendar, it's possible they haven't shared it with you. You may need to request access from the individual directly, who can then adjust the sharing settings in their own Google Calendar. It's helpful to approach this with courtesy and explain the reason for your request to facilitate cooperation. In summary, checking someone's calendar in Google Calendar is straightforward as long as you know where to look and how to proceed. With just a few clicks, you can simplify and streamline your scheduling, making those busy work weeks or complicated plans just a little bit easier to manage. So go ahead and try it for yourself.